Hello, I'm Darcy, Product Manager, and today I'm so glad to be here to show you our latest Pico-ITX SPC with Intel Raptor Lake Ultra Series platform. Not only supports up to 10-core 15-watt Core i processor and 1 DDR5 so DIMM up to 16 GB memory, it's also amazing that plenty of features have been designed on board in just a 2.5-inch size, such as 2 display ports, one 2.5 GB Ethernet, 4 USB, 1 serial port, and 1 M.2 E key for Wi-Fi Bluetooth, and 2 M.2 B key sockets for both SSD and 5G module. Besides, it'll be perfect product if you're also looking for a solution which is able to endure the environment in harsh temperature conditions. Thank you for watching, but I would suggest you to contacting us for sample reservation and have fun.